Hello, fellow dog parents. It's time to whip up a special treat for your little bud. A vegan, people-friendly but mostly dog-friendly pup cake, complete with a simple cashew buttercream. If you can have your cake and eat it, why can't your dog eat it too? Let's get baking. For the cake, measure out the whole wheat flour and oat flour in a bowl. If you need to make oat flour, simply blend up dry oats in a food processor or blender until fine. Then add the baking powder, salt, and cinnamon and mix. Make a little well for the wet ingredients. Next, add in the pumpkin and applesauce. You can also do sweet potato puree. Then the water and the maple syrup. Mix until everything is just combined. The batter will be thick. Divide the batter into 3 small cake tins, or 1 large 9-inch tin, and bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Let the cakes cool about 10 minutes before unmolding. Then wrap them up and pop them into the freezer while you make the frosting. For the cashew buttercream, soak the cashews in cold water for at least 6 hours or overnight. Drain the cashews and add those and some coconut yogurt, maple syrup, and melted coconut oil into a blender. Blend until smooth, about 1 minute. Pour the mixture into a shallow container and freeze it for about 30 minutes. Use a whisk to whip the mixture a bit, then freeze for about 45 minutes. Whip it one more time, then let it set in the freezer for about 2 to 4 hours. Let the buttercream thaw out a bit before using a stand or hand mixer and whip it up to a nice fluffy consistency. Now that everything is done, decorate your puff's cake as you would any other cake. Fall is life for my little guy, so I made a simple, very naked cake and decorated the top in a little ball motif with his name. If you save the cake tops, you can make cake balls. Just crumble up the leftover cake, add what's left of the frosting, which hopefully isn't too much, and mix well. Roll them up into little balls and store in the freezer for up to 2 months as an extra treat for your pup. Ignore the fact that my dog hates the camera. He really does love this cake. I've been giving him slices the past few days and he just noms it up. Enjoy this video of him eating, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more treats. Thanks for watching.